Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use WhatsApp Business on your laptop. I'll explain 3 different methods you can use. First, open Google and search for WhatsApp Business Web. Click on the first result, which will take you to the official WhatsApp webpage. Here, you'll see a QR code on your screen. On your phone, open the WhatsApp app, tap on the 3 dots in the top corner and select Link Devices. Then, choose Link a Device and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your laptop screen. Once it scans successfully, your WhatsApp business account will open directly in your browser. If you prefer running the actual WhatsApp Business mobile app on your laptop, go to Google and search for Download WhatsApp Business for PC. From the results, visit the MEMU emulator website and download the software. Once installed, you can run WhatsApp Business just like you would on your phone. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, open the Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp app page and click Get to download it. Once installed, you can open it, log into your account, and start using WhatsApp Business from your laptop with ease. That's it. These are 3 easy ways to download and use WhatsApp Business on your PC or laptop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.